Hello everyone, welcome back to our online classes. So we are in the first chapter, rational numbers. So actually what is rational number? A number which is in the p by q form where p, q or belongs to integers and q is not equals to 0. This is the rational number definition. Okay, now we are moving to the properties of rational numbers. See here. Now let us take for first operation is addition. So for addition, let us take any two rational numbers. 2 by 7 comma 5 by 8. I am taking, okay, this is the example I am taking. 2 by 7 comma 5 by 8 are two rational numbers. Now I am going to add the two rational numbers. 2 by 7 plus 5 by 8. So now see here. 2 by 7 plus 5 by 8 is given. Now cross multiply this. 16 plus 35 by 56. Now what is here? 16 plus 35, 51, 56. So this is a rational number or not? 51 by 56. Yes, it's a rational number. So let's take one more example. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 7. So what is this here? 7 plus 3 by 21. So now what is the answer here? 9 by 10 by 21. Everyone clear? See here, 1 by 3 is one rational number, 1 by 7 is one more rational number. So I am going to add the both. Okay. Now cross multiplying. 7 1 is 7, 3 1 is 3. 7 plus 3 10, 21. 7 3 is 3 7 is 21. Okay. Like this you do when is take any rational number and add them. Okay. So you get whether rational number or not. Verify it. So it is possible. Okay. So we can conclude that sum of two rational numbers gives the one more rational number. Okay, again we are getting rational number. Okay, everyone clear? So we can use two new symbols here. What are the two new symbols means? This for all symbol and belongs to symbol. So this is for all. Okay, for all. Now this is for all. This is belongs to. So for all and belongs to. These are the two symbols. Okay. Now next. So what we can conclude by we can conclude for the closure property? Rational numbers are closed under addition. Rational numbers are closed under addition. Rational numbers are closed under addition. Next we are moving to subtraction. Okay. Subtraction. So in the subtraction, just take any two rational numbers. See here, 3 by 7 minus 1 by 2. So you can take this, you can do this subtraction. So 2 3 is 6 minus 7 by 14. So 7 2 is 14, 2 3 is 6, 7 1 is 7. So what we got here? 6 minus 7 minus 1 by 14. Minus 1 by 14. So minus 1 by 14 is a rational number or not? Yes, it's a rational number. So but take you whatever the examples. You now one more example I am taking. 5 by 8 minus 2 by 3. So see here. Now minus is here. Okay, subtraction operation. 3 5 is 15 minus 16 by 8 is 24. So 15 minus 16 minus 1 by 24. Is a rational number? Yes, it's a rational number. So what we can conclude here? Subtraction of any two rational numbers gives again the rational number. Okay. So this is also subtraction also closed under, sorry, rational number also closed under subtraction. Rational numbers are closed under subtraction. Okay, everyone clear? So rational numbers are closed under subtraction, multiplication. So the multiplication. So take any two rational numbers and multiply. Then the result is again a rational number. Then it is closed under multiplication. Okay, rational numbers are closed under multiplication. So check it whether it is closed under or not. See here. 1 by 2 into 11 by 5. Multiply it. 1 into 11, 11. 2 into 5, 10. Everyone clear? Now one more example. 6 by 11 into 2 by 31. So it's a very big number. Okay, 2 by 6. So see here, 6 to the 12, 11 6 is 66. So it's a rational number. Okay, now take one more. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 3 by 2. So minus into minus, plus 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 2, 4. So again a rational number. All our rational numbers are not. See here, observe once. All are rational numbers. So we can decide that rational numbers are closed under multiplication. Rational numbers are closed under multiplication. So rational numbers are closed under multiplication. Completed. Next one, last one is division. So we will check for division whether the rational numbers are closed under division or not. Division of 5 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. So division of this number 2, see here. Now 5 by 2 I am writing. 5 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 it is given. So when the when the denominator becomes numerator, that will be interchanged. The positions will be interchanged. See here, 5 by 2 into this will become numerator, na? So 2 by 3. Everyone clear? So 2 get cancelled. 5 by 3 is our answer. It is our rational number or not? Yes, it is a rational number. Next, one more example. Take one more example. 3 by 5 divided by 2 by 8. See here, 3 by 5 by 2 by 8. That means 3 by 5 into 8 by 2. So what is the answer here? 3 8 the 24, 5 to the 10. Okay. So it is a rational number or not? Yes, it's a rational number. So like this, one more example. Take the one more example. Check whether it is, whether the rational numbers are closed under division or not. So now 0 divided by 5. 0 by 5. You see here, 0 by 5. Can we define 0 by 5 is equals to 0? Okay, everyone clear? Now 5 divided by 0. See here, 5 by 0. 5 divided by 0. So is it possible 5 divided by 0? Not possible. So rational numbers are not closed under division. Okay, rational numbers are not closed under division. This is exception or not? See here, 5 divided by 0, 5 by 0, something by 0, it is undefined. Okay, everyone clear? So I already introduced the two symbols now. So how to write the statement? See here, these two symbols, for all belongs to. Okay, by using these two symbols we can frame one sentence. See here, for all a comma b are rational numbers here. For all a comma b, addition a plus b belongs to R. So addition of the any two rational numbers, again we get the addition, again we get the rational number only. Okay, everyone clear? Now for all a comma b, so a minus b belongs to R. The subtraction of any two rational numbers, again a rational number. So for all a comma b, a into b belongs to R. So multiplication of any two rational numbers gives the again rational number. So see here, for all a comma b, for all means any rational number, any a comma b, a or b, a, b are two rational numbers. For any a comma b, any two rational numbers, that product a into b belongs to R. It is a rational number. So but for what about division? A divided b not belongs to R. Okay, not belongs to R. This is your closure property of rational number, children. So in the next class we move to the another property.